Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you some Dollar Tree DIY fashion and beauty ideas. So you guys, we are headed into the holidays and we have been making our homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I will have tons of decorating videos linked down below, but you guys, let's pause for just a moment and pamper ourselves, and sometimes we have to do that on a budget. So I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite Dollar Tree tips and tricks, and we're going to do some DIYs to glam up ourselves and just make ourselves feel fabulous. And these are also going to be amazing little Christmas gift ideas. So without further ado, let's jump into these super fun, super inexpensive Dollar Tree DIYs. Okay, you guys, so here is my outfit of the day. This is actually a DIY Dollar Tree purse that we're going to do, and this little t-shirt is another Dollar Tree DIY that we're going to do. I'm really excited to share with you guys these DIY Dollar Tree fashions. I think that they're very customizable to whatever you guys love, and I think they're super cute and an inexpensive way to get boutique gorgeous on a budget. Now, to get started on our crafting session, I want to bring the cozy fall vibe into my home with these scents of fresh apples, lemons, pumpkin spice, nutmeg, and some ground cloves. I'm just going to simmer that on my stove. And I also love to light my hot cocoa and cream Bath & Body Works candles. And just to give us some energy, you guys, we have to have a delicious slice of my pumpkin bread. I will link that recipe down below. So yummy, and of course, lots of butter does the trick. Okay, you guys, for our first Dollar Tree DIY, we are going to make these gorgeous, fabulous fashionista headbands. So you just want to get a 3-pack of Dollar Tree headbands. I chose the metallic kind because I thought they would come out even more sparkly, and some E6000 glue, and then some faux jewels. And I found these fake jewels at Michael's. They were $9.99 for a huge pack, you guys. And you can use your 50% off coupon and get them for about $5 or $6 with change. So go ahead and take your E6000 glue and just apply that to your headband, and then you're going to apply your beautiful jewels, and that is pretty much it, you guys. This one is super easy. Also, I did not go all the way down the entire headband because I almost wanted to give this beautiful, fabulous headband almost a crown-like appearance. And also I used the larger jewels at the top and then kind of tapered down into the smaller jewels. For the next Dollar Tree fashionable DIY, you guys, I loved to use their nails. So they have French tip nails, and they also have the clear nails, which is what actually I have on for these pink nails, which if you guys want to see a full video tutorial on how I do my Dollar Tree nails with this pink sparkly polish, I will definitely show you. But I love how these came out. And I also love using the sparkly overlay because that keeps them a little bit more durable for all of my crafting sessions. So I just take some nail glue and I glue the Dollar Tree nail. This is just a clear Dollar Tree nail. I believe they're called the sport nails. And I hold that on for about 10 seconds. And then once I have my nail glued on, I use this beautiful pink Jenna Taylor nail polish, and you guys can really choose any pink that you love that speaks to your heart. And I just want to go ahead and paint the nail pink, and then I'm actually going to paint 2 coats on this, but just for this DIY, I just wanted to show you guys real quick how this works. So I paint 2 coats of the pink nail polish, I let it dry for just a bit, and then I do this beautiful sparkling crystal overlay. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we are going to make this absolutely fabulous beauty brush holder, or you can use it for your desk. So I just used this sequin sparkling mug holder and I put it on this cute little glass. This is kind of like a juice glass size. And then I had this sparkling bow left over from a Halloween costume, and I just hot glued this beautiful bow to the front of this, but you guys could use really any fabric or bow that you like. And once you get that hot glued on, you're going to to want to go ahead and add some of your beautiful jewels. I chose some of these pink sparkling kind. You can find some of these at Dollar Tree, Michael's, Walmart. Pretty much everywhere has some kind of pink sparkling jewel. And then I also added in some of the larger frog crystals and some beautiful pearls. How adorable is this? I think this would make a wonderful Christmas gift, very inexpensive and perfect and fabulous for that glamour girl in your life. I'm probably going to give this one to my daughter, but it fits makeup brushes perfectly, and I just love how it came out. So gorgeous and so very sparkling. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I just wanted to share with you guys that they actually have really good eyelashes. I don't use their eyelash glue. I get my eyelash glue from Walmart. I don't wear eyelashes very often, but when I do, I love them. And then for this next Dollar Tree DIY, we are going to use one of their little facial brushes. So these facial brushes are rather strong, so be careful and go over your face very lightly, but I'm just using some coconut oil and kind of a spa type exfoliation on my skin. And I'm getting all glam and fabulous. Now for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we are going to create this really cute crossbody purse. So I was so excited with how this came out. So this is just a black crossbody plain purse, and we are going to go in actually with a black table runner and some hot glue and these lace trims, and we are going to make it fabulous and gorgeous on a budget. So to get started on this Dollar Tree fabulous black bag, you just want to go ahead and remove all of your tags, and then you want to kind of lay that black table runner out. And I got this table runner at Dollar Tree as well, but you want to lay it out and kind of measure it to fit your bag, and leave some extra fabric because you're going to tuck that fabric over and hot glue it to the front. We also want to make sure that we glue underneath the zipper because we want this bag to not only be fabulous but also functional. So I'm giving this part of the fabric a nice folded edge, so I'll have something nice to glue to, and then you just want to glue underneath your zipper with that folded edge, and that is going to begin the first part of your project. So make sure your zipper still works and glue it on really nice. And then I just went ahead and kind of checked my bag to see how I wanted to do this. I've never done this before, but I'm really happy with how it came out. So then you're just going to take the excess on each side of your table runner and fold it over and glue it to the back side of the bag. So I had flipped it over and the zipper is on the other side. And then you're going to glue those sides down because you want to be able to bring this back around and over the top, and that's going to be the front flap for your gorgeous darling purse. So once I have the back all glued on, I just want to go ahead and add some trim to the front part of this. I had this extra lace trim. It's kind of a Victorian style, and you guys, I know I love this, so I went ahead and just added this to the front. It's also going to give your little front flap a bit of weight to hold the purse down. And once I had that all glued on, I went in with this Dollar Tree lace trim. I just wanted to trim out the top just to give it that little extra touch. And I was so excited with how this came out, you guys. It is such a fabulous little purse. I've always wanted a crossbody purse, but when I look for them in stores, they're super expensive. And we made this one for about $3. You guys can get creative with this and add more trims and whatever you like with it. I did go ahead and leave this strap as is because I wanted it to be durable, so when I go shopping I can just throw it on, but I really think it came out so super duper cute and fabulous. For our next Dollar Tree fashion DIY, you're just going to grab one of the Dollar Tree black t-shirts. So I grabbed a 2 extra large child size because I want it to be a little bit fitted, and you just want to go along the top of your neckline and just cut out the neckline of your t-shirt just below where the neckline hem is. The larger you cut it, the more width it's going to have on your shoulders, and I still want it to be able to stay up on my shoulders fairly well. And then you're going to go along the hem of your shirt sleeves and trim those off as well. And once you have them trimmed off, I also kind of like to pull them out, and that kind of gives them a little bit of shape. And then you're going to go at the bottom of your t-shirt and just cut the hem off as well. I love to do this to my t-shirts. I think it makes them look really cute, and when they wash, it'll kind of curl up at the ends, and so it gives you kind of just that little bit of, I don't know, just super cute look. So here it is. I'm so excited. This is a Dollar Tree t-shirt. I think choosing black was definitely the right choice. You can kind of pull it off the shoulder. You could add trims to it if you wanted. You can add a scarf. And I'm going to show you guys how I DIY'd this scarf out of my husband's thermal in another video. And then there's that beautiful headband. I just love how sparkly and sweet this came out. Okay, you guys, a couple videos back, I did just share with you this 30-day detox that I've been participating in with Teamy Blends. It is a wonderful 30-day detox. It really gets your digestive system back in check and also boosts your metabolism, which I really need at this age. So you just put a teaspoon into your Teamy Blends tumbler and some hot water, and you sip on that in the morning, and it really helps detox your system. And I do have a coupon code below if you guys would like to do this 30-day detox with me, and you guys completely eat normally on this. It's definitely not a starvation thing. So I also wanted to share with you guys a quick Dollar Tree haul. This is going to be a couple of Christmas things because I have to go ahead and share with you guys some fun Christmas treasures. So go ahead and pick up a roll of deco mesh, one of their Christmas trees, a pack of those sparkling ornaments, and this feather boa, which I think was supposed to be in the Halloween section, a 25 pack of fuzzy sticks. I actually believe I got the white ones at Walmart, and a little bubblegum dispenser, some of this beautiful pink ribbon, and they have some really sweet Merry Christmas ribbon out as well. It's got 9 feet on the roll for that, and then this pink raffia, and also this super sparkling ribbon. Oh my goodness, you guys, look what came in the mail today. My vintage holiday magazine copy. So this is going to be for the 2018 holiday season. It gets released in fall. You guys should be able to find this at Target and Walmart and all of those places. And this has a feature of my home in it, you guys, my entire home. I am so honored and blessed. I called my husband up and I was screaming. I was so excited. So anyway, I will update you guys and let you know exactly where they're going to have this out in stores. But I am so thankful and blessed. I believe Romantic Homes magazine publishes this. But yeah, so anyway, my home actually got accepted into the Vintage Holiday magazine, and I just could not wait to share this with you guys. And you guys are the first ones seeing this, so. Okay, you guys, what did you think about some of these Dollar Tree DIY fashion and beauty ideas? You guys comment and let me know what you guys think about some of these things. Normally we are totally all about decorating our homes, but I think it's okay to pause for just a moment and get ourselves a little bit beautiful, pamper ourselves for just a minute, and also these can spoil some of the other ladies in our lives that may like some of these beautiful sparkling treasures. You guys know I love sparkly things. So thank you all so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like what you see. I'll make some more of these, and stay tuned for some more DIYs. You guys, I love to craft. It just makes my heart feel so sparkly, as well as all your beautiful comments. If you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. Click the subscribe button and the little bell will update you, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.